Okay, hello guys. So I'm making this video to show an npm package which I made, and here's the npm package. So here's the thing, right? Most of the developer either skip writing readme files or they go to ChatGPT and explain the entire where they have to explain the entire code base and get the readme, which again can have errors and have to repeat this process again and again. So to eliminate this process, I made an npm package which analyzes your entire code base, understand what you are building, and writes a professional readme based on that. So to use this, you can either visit the official npm website, or you can visit my website, which is readme-ai.xyz. So if you go here and go on get started or scroll down, so there are two ways of using this. You can either use by setting the flag, so you put your API key here, or you can put it in the environment variable. So I'll show you how to use this. So I will copy it from here, and I have a project which is my portfolio project, and I will create a readme.md for this. So just go and quickly type npx @catmeow /readme-ai. So if you just do it without the API key or setting the flag, it will warn you and ask you to provide the API key. You can just go on this link and you can create an API key here. I already have a API key, so I'll just go and copy this, and I will go here and do npx I will go here and do npx @catmeow /readme-ai, then --api-key, and I will paste my key over here. And once you click enter, see it found 27 files in this project. It detected the project type, which is Next.js, and it also have detected the language, which is TypeScript. And look, within seconds, it made a complete readme.md based on the entire code base. So if you scroll down and see, look how beautiful this is. The project structure, then tech stack you have used, then a small description about the project. Then if you scroll down, it also gave installation guide for setting up the local project, then running the development server, usage, structure with descriptions and all, then how you can contribute on this project, license, everything, all this without explaining the code base or debugging the readme. So yeah, that is how it works. And so right now it needs your API key, but in future I'm planning to eliminate that by rate limiting on my own API key. And if you are all interested in contributing to this, this is open source. You can just visit this and go in my GitHub. This is open source. If you are willing to contribute and make the make the rate limiting Gemini key version come true, then you all can contribute. I will create issues if you are interested. So let me know in comments. And yeah, that's it. That's my a little side project which I made.